Hey y'all, it's Sarah, and this week's book review is over The Faithful Spy, Dietrich Bonhoeffer and the Plot to Kill Hitler by John Hendricks. World War II is a moment in our world history in which people associate names like Adolf Hitler, Winston Churchill, and Franklin D. Roosevelt. We picture events like Pearl Harbor and D-Day. Other important figures and events during this time are often nothing more than a footnote or a small paragraph in the extensive chapters that cover the complexity of World War II. Dietrich Bonhoeffer is one of those often glazed over figures. As one of the first to sound the alarm on the rot that was Hitler, he shouldn't be. Unfortunately, Bonhoeffer often is. But author John Hendricks makes sure to bring to life this theologian and spy. Presented in the format of part graphic novel, part biography, The Faithful Spy gives you the life of Dietrich Bonhoeffer as you have never seen it before. Using attention-grabbing graphics and a unique color scheme, readers will learn all about Bonhoeffer's rise as a young theologian, his struggles on whether to speak out against Hitler's indoctrination of the German people, creating secret schools to train pastors in rebellion to Nazi teachings, becoming a spy involved in numerous plots to kill Hitler, and his eventual imprisonment. Readers are given the chance to read and see the complexity and bittersweet life of Dietrich Bonhoeffer. His struggles are relatable, with the author presenting them in a manner that people can understand and empathize. Books like these, a combination of biography and history in a graphic novel format, would make a great addition to libraries, both school and public. Connecting to historical figures is one of the best ways to get students to understand the history they are studying. Bright colors, attention-grabbing graphics, and information that is concise but interesting is sure to make any young adult learn about the amazing World War II figure. As a current history teacher, I hope to see more of these books published. Personally, I feel they're absolutely necessary. These books provide the perfect medium to impart not only information on one individual, but connecting the individual's events to the overall happenings of the world. I hope to see more graphic novel biographies available to the youth of today. I hope you all enjoyed this. I'll talk to you all next time.